Happy Mother's Day. We just missed a yawn. It was so cute. My phone was turning on. Zazu says, Happy Mother's Day. So beautiful. He says it's so early yet though. Maybe I caught the yawn. I'll have to rewatch the video. Morning, beautiful.